The ASUS BR1100 was designed with K-12 education in mind. It has all the functionality students need to learn with, but is still built with the durability needed to withstand everyday use and the occasional accident. For instance, the spill-resistant keyboard protects the rest of the laptop from up to 330 cc's of liquid. When a spill happens, it's easy to remove the liquid and clean up. But when repairs are needed, the BR1100's modular design makes it easy to disassemble and repair. To demonstrate this, we're going to replace the keyboard on our BR1100. In order to remove the keyboard module from the rest of the laptop, we'll need to start by making sure your BR1100 is powered down and not plugged into any wall socket. Then, turn over the laptop and remove the screws on the outer edges and center. All the screws on the laptop's base are retained, so they will remain attached to the panel to prevent lost pieces when servicing. The last two screws are protected by rubber covers. Carefully remove these with the tip of a small screwdriver before removing the remaining screws. With those screws detached, we'll need to apply a bit of prying pressure to completely remove the panel. Turn over the laptop so the keyboard is facing up. Grab a prying tool and separate the keyboard module from the rest of the laptop along the edges. Be sure to pick a prying tool that is made from plastic or wood. A metal tool is likely to damage the laptop chassis. The keyboard and trackpad will need to be disconnected in order for the module to be completely removed. Carefully disconnect the two cables at the base of their connection on the motherboard. With those cables disconnected, we can now remove the keyboard module from the bottom case assembly. In the event where you also need to remove the touchpad, remove this protective band with a wedge tool. Then, remove the 3 screws securing the trackpad to the keyboard. Finally, we'll detach the tape that holds the trackpad in place. Now you'll be able to pop out the trackpad for repairs or replacement. The whole process you saw today, performed by experienced technicians, only took 10 minutes to make the necessary fixes to help schools get back to school operations. Contact an ASUS representative today.